Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna play with more of my deluxe caboodle. We're gonna play with the small down demands called Step into Spring. Then we're gonna use a panel from the Stitching Down demands that is called, let's see if I can focus, Stitch Scallops Card and Tag. And then I don't know what happened to my to the packaging of my embossing folder. Anyways, the 3D embossing folder of them all of them from February. Now I die cut this cute little feet and legs and shoes out of some scrap cardstock, and I decided to do a little twist. Instead of using the socks, I decided to give the legs some trousers, and I was inspired by a whole movie that I was watching while crafting. That was Grease, so probably you're all familiar with Grease, and the last scene with Sandy wearing the black leggings, shiny leggings, and the red. She's got red sandals, but I think you got the idea. So that's it. So now I'm gonna do everything together. I'm gonna speed up a bit the video, otherwise I'm gonna stay here all day. Sorry if I'm whispering a bit, but I'm doing a voiceover late at night because I had some issue with my microphone today, so hopefully you can hear me properly. Anyway, I'm just gluing everything down. This set is really fun, and it's got some really pretty flowers as well that I'm gonna use in another card later. But I just wanted to mention that I think tomorrow is the last day. Today or tomorrow is the last day to purchase this set, or to subscribe if you want to get this set at a very discounted price. And remember, you can always unsubscribe for the next month, so it's not something that you have to anyway follow up. So just to let you know, it's really fun. I've been subscribing now for a couple of years, and I never regret it because it's a very good value for money. Now I finish up attach all my bits on the shoes. I know, actually, I think I'm missing the little buckle. There you go, a little gold buckle just on one side, of course, because you don't see the other side. There you go. Now before I put any foam at the back, I'm just gonna position him in my little panel. This panel is being cut off from watercolor cardstock, and is basically the smaller size of the panel of the stitching die. So it's got some stitching detail, but it's not stitch. No stitching. And I just try to dull a bit my tape to make sure it doesn't rip my paper, and I use it just to position my legs in on the panel so I can cut them off before putting any dimension behind. Sorry about the sound. Now I'm gonna glue one down, but before I do that, I wanna attach a piece of cardstock, the same of the feet, so it's barely peach, and just because I wanted to to be flush when I laying down, when I glue it to my panel. So I'm gonna just put some glue, and this one is gonna be flat direct in the panel. Try to be I could have butt it against something, but I didn't. Well, this one I wanted to pop it up, pop it up a little bit, so I'm putting some foam, some leftover foam, and I tried to to create a leg. So now you see me create a little ankle. I try to make as close as possible to the shape of my leg. There you go. And now I'm just gonna attach other bits of foam. I make it more complicated than it should have been, but I just wanted to use this leftover foam. There you go. Once I've got oh, another bits at the end. Been very tall. There you go. Just in the toe. Now just gonna remove the release paper and I'm put it in an angle, so it's like air fit is against the wall in a bad girl kind of kind of way. I don't know if you're familiar with the movie Grease. Probably you are. I mean, I don't know. I never met anybody that didn't know the movie. Now I got a panel of the same of A2 size basically. It was larger, but then I embossed it with the beautiful 3D embossing of the month for February, and it shrink a bit, so it was a bit larger than A2, and then I trim it to be A2, so it matched perfectly my card base. And then I've got this other panel in gold cardstock that I'm just gonna glue it on an angle, and I'm gonna let it dry for a few minutes. I put just a heavy things on the top. Meanwhile, I'm gonna put some foam at the back of my little panel with the legs, because I wanna pop it up a little bit just to give a bit more dimension. And now I'm just gonna attach straight this time in the center of my card. There you go. This card is very, very simple. Super simple, very quick to make, and a lot of fun. I really, really like this card. Now, I wanted to give a bit of shine, because my sentiment is include the word shine. So I took my Wink of Stella and just went through the shoes to give it a little bit of sparkle, no shine, sparkle. And I hope you can see it from the camera, maybe a little bit, yes. As a final touch, I'm just gonna add a couple of line with my white gel pen, just to give the feel of the stretch leggings, the shiny leggings. As a sentiment, I'm using a fun one from Clarissa Wiley release for Spellbinders, and it said "Sparkle on, my friend." That I thought was perfect for this card, and I'm just gonna put in the corner, in the bottom corner, and that's it. And the card is done. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you did, give us thumbs up, please. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.